Hello and welcome. It's time for 5 minutes to great gadgets. Today's gadget is the Blink XT wireless home security camera system. It features a very simple setup, it's reliable and easy to use. This system features a 720p camera, motion detection, and free cloud storage. This review is strictly for the outdoor camera. The camera has a 110-degree viewing angle and one-way audio. That means you can hear the audio that's being recorded from the camera, but you cannot talk out to the camera. When the sun goes down, the camera relies on its infrared light emitter and a black and white image to record good quality photos and video. There is an optional blue LED on the front of the camera that signals when the camera is recording. This can be turned off by opening the camera up and turning the switch off inside. The camera casing is weatherproof, and it runs on 2 AA lithium batteries. The manufacturer states that the batteries should last up to 2 years. However, this is definitely going to vary depending on your usage. A 4-pack of lithium AA batteries can be purchased for less than $10. Personally, I feel that's a pretty small price to pay even if I had to change those batteries once a year. And if you feel that changing batteries is too much of a hassle, you can run the camera via a micro USB plug located on the back of the camera. The cameras wirelessly send their signal to the sync module located somewhere inside your home. This is powered by the included USB power supply and connected to your Wi-Fi network using the 2.4 gigahertz frequency. I originally purchased the one camera system, which includes the camera and the sync module. After using the Blink XT for 2 weeks, I was so impressed I decided to buy a second camera. Blink sent me a discount code when I registered the first camera. This allowed me to purchase the second add-on camera at a discounted rate. The sync module that was included in my first purchase can connect up to 10 cameras to one system. Blink also includes the lithium AA batteries with the camera purchase. A simple but effective mounting bracket is also included. The switch to turn off the blue LED recording indicator light is located inside the battery compartment as shown here. The Blink XT app works on both Android and iOS devices. Setting up your system is extremely simple thanks to the use of QR codes attached to the labels on the camera and on the sync module. Once your cameras are set up, this will be the entry screen when you start the Blink XT app. From this screen, you can set up a schedule to arm and disarm at specific times of the day. You can view your cloud files. You can do a live view if you want to see what's going on exactly at that point in time. You can take photos. The little indicator with the man running shows that the motion detection is on, and the switches next to him will take you to the camera's options page. The cloud icon at the bottom confirms that you are connected and your images and videos are being stored. And there's an option to arm and disarm manually. Tapping the folder icon will show you a list of video clips stored in the cloud. You can select from these clips. They are listed in chronological order, listed by the camera, the date, and the time. Once you select a clip, you can play, pause, or skip to the next video clip in that list. You also have the option of sharing the clip, downloading it, deleting it, or you can do a live view of that particular cam. You can also enable notifications on your phone so that when motion is detected, you will get notified. Tapping the switches icon from the main screen will open the camera settings for that particular camera. You can name the camera, check battery life, check temperature, turn the motion detection on or off, adjust how quickly it will re-trigger. You can set the motion sensitivity, adjust recording length, and end the clip early for false alarms. Here's one example of exactly what I'm talking about. Video quality seems fairly good. The brightness is okay, and the colors are just fine. Don't worry about that box. There's something soft inside, so I wasn't too concerned. But had this been something that could have been damaged, I would have had record of it. Adding a second camera can really help see the same actions from different angles. Unfortunately, I didn't have a lot of nighttime clips to choose from, but at least I know how my daughter bruised her shin. And in case you're wondering, I believe the blurriness is due to the motion floodlights that I have set up around the house. Lastly, I wanted to do a quick comparison between the other top-selling video surveillance system, the Arlo. The Arlo is made by Netgear. They have two models. This says the Arlo Pro here, however, this is not the Pro. The Pro version is 1080. This version, the VMS 4230, is the 720p version. It's a slightly older version, and there's, I believe, about $110 price difference between the two, which is really expensive for a security system like this. The Arlo is also wireless. It does have a proprietary battery, however, which could end up costing quite a bit if you had to replace that. The Arlo does have two-way audio, which the Blink does not. The receiver box or sync module is pretty large, but this is to house the speaker so that you can do the two-way audio back and forth. The biggest difference between the Arlo and the Blink is the cloud storage. The Arlo gives you 7 days of cloud storage, and the Blink gives you a specific amount of cloud storage. You can save that all the way up to 100% if you want, and then start deleting files. I've got mine set for 14 days, and I felt that that was more than enough. At the 14-day point, I'm using about 30% of my storage, and the motion detection between both cameras is taking somewhere between 7 and 10 video clips per day. The Blink XT single camera system runs about $129 on Amazon. However, if you wait, they put it on sale occasionally, and I picked mine up for $110. The single camera add-on was just $90 with the discount Blink provided for me. I also forgot to mention that the Blink XT works with both Amazon's Echo Show and Echo Spot. I've been very pleased with the Blink XT camera system, and I highly recommend it to anybody looking for an outdoor surveillance system. As always, thank you very much for watching, and now it's time to make the magic happen. Please, if you like this video, hit like and subscribe to find out about all of our future episodes.